Are you a discouraged new YouTuber? Hi, my name is Dave, and I'm here to help you. Today, I want to talk about asking viewers to like and subscribe. Early in my career, I was in sales, and I learned the importance of asking for the sale. But you don't ask for the sale as soon as you meet the customer. You create a connection, listen and understand their needs, present your product or service thoughtfully, answer any questions they might have, then ask for the sale respectfully and politely. Huge YouTube channels have a huge fan base that will watch whatever the creator puts out, but small channels like ours are different. We have to work for every viewer and subscriber, so though you might see large channels asking to like and subscribe at the very start of their videos, smaller channels should always give value to the viewer first. Then, ask them to like and subscribe if they found the content useful. You'll get better results this way. And if today's content was helpful to you, please consider liking and subscribing. Also, if your channel was helped by any of the advice I've given in my videos, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And one last thing. If you're interested in investing some money and time to accelerate your YouTube channel growth, I highly recommend you check out the affiliate link below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to join me in my next video tomorrow.